Hey, you are listening to English with an Espresso, your daily boost of natural English made for IELTS and everyday conversation. Alright, let's talk about something appealing today. Yep, that's the word, appealing. It is one of those words that's super smooth, really flexible, and honestly, it sounds pretty advanced without being complicated. So when you say something is appealing, what you are really saying is it attracts you. You liked it. There's something about it that makes you feel drawn in. It could be a person's personality, the smell of food, a peaceful vacation, or even just the idea of not working on Monday. Like honestly, a weekend with zero responsibilities? That's super appealing. I tell you what, I recently saw this cafe tucked away on a quiet street. It had big windows, warm lighting, and no loud music. Just people working quietly. That's kind of place. Totally appealing to me. Like, that's where I wanna go when I need to clear my head. Let's bring it into IELTS now. How do you use appealing in the test? Imaging speaking part 1. What kind of movies do you enjoy? You could say, well, I usually go for thrillers, but slow, emotional dramas are also appealing, especially when they are based on real stories. Now, part 2. Describe a job you would like to have. You could say, one job that seems really appealing to me is being a travel writer. I love the idea of exploring different cultures and turning my experiences into stories. It sounds exciting and creative. And even in part 3, when you need to give your opinion, uh, why do some people choose to work abroad? You could say, I think the chance to experience a new culture and lifestyle is really appealing. For a lot of people, it is not just about the money, it is about growing personally. Here's a tip. When you use appealing, don't just throw it in. Connect it to a real reason. Explain what makes something appealing to you. That way, your answer sounds natural and thoughtful, not memorized. And that's your espresso shot of English for today. Now, here's your mini challenge. Try using the word appealing in a sentence about food, a place, or a lifestyle you like. Say it loud. Record it. Even the more you use it, the more natural it will feel. If this episode gave you something to think about, share it with a friend who is also on their IELTS journey. Thanks for tuning into English with an Espresso. See you in the next one.